Hello, I'm Sierra Bricks, and today we're going to be looking at this mini Lego pistol by the YouTuber Puzz Lego. So let's get into it. Okay, so right now we're just going to be looking. Whoops. Oh yeah, so we're just going to be looking at how accurate and how strong this gun shoots. So I actually added a few modifications. No, just like one modification. I had two. So these things right here, it was easier to pull back for me. And he didn't really make a clearance video, like where to put the rubber bands and how to put them on the front. Okay, so yeah. And also, I'm gonna show you the bullet that uses. It's this piece right here. And it's slotted into the barrel. Okay, so now we're gonna test how strong this gun is. So yeah, let's get into this. Wow, that actually went pretty hard. Okay, let's try that again. There you go. I hit it. Okay, so right now, I'm going to tell you something about this gun. So, it is very important to keep your finger on top of the gun when you shoot and push down pretty hard. Because sometimes, if you don't, the top of the gun will actually just like, what's the word for it? Just like break off. Like this. Yep, it's like that. You get all angry. Okay, yeah, so overall, I rate this gun a 9 out of 10. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. But I just don't really like that you need to hold your finger here, or else, you know, the top will break off. And also, sometimes when you break the gun, sometimes the trigger falls out also, because it's not technical. It's not like locked in there. But still, it's a gun. Yeah, I like this gun. That's pretty accurate. Okay, yeah, so this is the end of the video. Just make sure to like and subscribe down below. And also, write down in the comments what you think I should make next. Yep.